Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Indian medicinal plant identification using machine learning. Let's open the project. This is the home page. We have to upload any input image of the plant. So let's select any image of plant. Okay, just click on it and click on the start detection. So it will show the asthma plant and it will show the regional names and with health benefit like cough, asthma. You have to upload any input image and according to that it will predict the name of plant and the regional names. Okay, so now second is common wireweed with the regional names and the health benefits. Like that, I'm just input the third image. Just click on the upload image for detection and select any image and click on the start detection. So it will show Madras P pumpkin with the regional names and the health benefit heart disease. And this is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.